We imagine that you are facing stricter and stricter regulations, aging infrastructure, shorter and shorter returns on investment, production performance issues with your wastewater treatment and network facilities. We know your concerns. We have a unique process expertise based on many years of customer experience. AQUAVISTA Plant is a comprehensive digital solution consisting of a suite of smart software programs designed to optimize your wastewater network system and treatment plants. It provides you with a choice of over 50 features dedicated to holistic treatment objectives and developed and proven over more than 25 years by our experts. More than 100 public utilities and industrial plants have already signed up. It supports your daily operation and strategic choices towards optimization. It provides you with intuitive user interfaces. It continually offers you smart, agile features to help you meet tomorrow's water challenges. It is the most comprehensive digital offer in the water industry. Yes, but do I have to change everything? Of course not. We make the most of your existing infrastructure, adding digital intelligence where necessary. How? We offer you standardized modular solutions tailored to any type of wastewater treatment and network facilities that can be adjusted according to your needs. Rapidly changing climate conditions? AQUAVISTA Plant constantly adapts and optimizes your facilities in real time. Looking to optimize your energy consumption? We make wastewater treatment more flexible depending on the actual load and price of electricity, as well as energy production when prices are at their peak. What are the main benefits? AQUAVISTA Plant is fully in line with the ecological transition process. By reducing your energy consumption, by decreasing the use of your chemicals, by extending the biological capacity by up to 40%, and the hydraulic capacity up to 100% without compromising the effluent quality. AQUAVISTA Plant optimizes the operation of both wastewater treatment plants and biogas plants for industries and for municipalities. You will gain a global view of your optimized processes in real time. How can I monitor my results? Our clients have 24/7 access to real-time information via a high-security cloud service. In short, AQUAVISTA Plant offers you the following: safety, peace of mind, optimized performance and improved utilization of existing assets for a better environmental footprint. Teamed with the AQUAVISTA Assist platform, you can call on Veolia's experts for support or to share your user experience. Whether you are an operator, engineer, or site manager, AQUAVISTA Plant supports you towards responsible, sustainable development, generates more confidence in the water quality, enhances the performance of your plant, and assists you in making the right decisions.